get this spacious living and dining area where you will get two parallel platforms with a stainless steel. You can customize your wardrobe over here, which is tall. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do the sample flat tour of the residential project L&T Elixir Reserve located in Powai by L&T Realty. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and right behind me is the actual tower that is getting constructed. It has 3 levels of basement parking and over here the retail outlet will be constructed. This is A.M. Naik School that is within the project and that is the ground of the school. Over here you can see 2 commercial towers of the project are getting constructed. We will get into the other details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 11 acres that will be developed phase-wise, having 9 towers. Phase 1 has 3 towers that are already sold out and Phase 2 has 4 towers having 3 levels of basement plus podium plus 24 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences deck apartments. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with world-class gym, indoor games, squash court, badminton court, 50,000 square feet of clubhouse and as you can see, it has a 3.5 acres hill log garden where jogging track will be constructed and it also has a swimming pool with many more ultra-luxurious amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, we are standing at the actual location of the project with the project tower right behind me. The project is located off JVLR Road opposite Powai Garden in Powai. Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road is only 100 meters away and upcoming Sati Vihar Metro Station is only at a distance of 200 meters. D-Mart is around 3 kilometers and International Airport is only at a distance of 4.5 kilometers from the project. Now, if you want to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's begin with the sample flat tour of our project. So now we are standing outside the 4 BHK with servant room of the residential project L&T Elixir Reserve. Let's begin with the sample flat tour. As we enter, you will get a spacious foyer area and in this corner, you can customize your shoe closet. By entering, we will get a video door phone that measures your privacy and safety. You will get this spacious living and dining area where you can customize your TV unit, sofas, center tables and much more. Over here is the dining area which is very spacious. You can easily place a 8 to 12 people dining table to have meals with your family. In the living room, you will get a beautiful French window balcony that is 26 feet long. As you can see, from the balcony, you will get an unobstructed view of the Powai Garden. Till 6th floor, you will get a Powai Garden view and from the 7th floor, you will get a lake view. One of the best part is that only at a distance of 100 meters, we have the Westin Hotel. As you can see, the white building behind me is the Westin Hotel. This is a very spacious balcony. You can place your swings, center table, tea table, chairs to enjoy time with your family. Moving forward, over here we have a common washroom which is very spacious and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right in front of the common washroom we have a first bedroom which is very spacious and in this bedroom you will get full French windows with a wall facade with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. You can place your queen or king size bed with the side tables and customize your wardrobe. Moving forward to our first master bedroom. This is a first master bedroom where you will get a foyer space. Over here you can place a queen and king size bed along with the side table, customize your wardrobe in that corner which is very spacious. Customize your study area, your makeup area, and this room also comes with full French windows and a very spacious balcony that also has an unobstructed view of the Powai Garden. This balcony is also very spacious. You can place your swing or whatever you need. Moving forward, this is the attached washroom of this master bedroom, which is very spacious. It also comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, I would also like to tell you one most important detail, that you will get ACs provided in all the bedrooms and in the living room as well. Moving forward to our kitchen, you will get two parallel platforms with a stainless steel sink, and in this corner, you can place your refrigerator. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. In the kitchen, you will also get a dryer space available where you can place your washing machine, and you also have a window and a glass facade in the kitchen. One of the best part is that the servant room is attached to the dryer space. This is the servant room washroom, and it also comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This is the servant room that has a separate entry exit. As you can see, this is the entry exit of the servant room, and this is the entry exit of our 4 BHK. That is the main entry. Moving forward to our other master bedrooms. As you can see, the servant room entry exit is separate. That will give you full privacy. Moving forward, we have this space provided before our other master bedroom, so you can customize a closet or a makeup corner over here. Moving forward, this is another master bedroom that is very spacious. You can place your bed, side tables, customize your study corner or makeup corner, and this master bedroom also comes with full French windows and a glass facade, giving you full safety and an unobstructed view of the Powai Garden. And this is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that also comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you like the project, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Moving to a last but not the least, a last master bedroom of this 4 BHK, which is very spacious. You can customize your wardrobe over here, which is tall enough to also build your loft. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables, and this bedroom also comes with full French windows and a very spacious balcony that also has an unobstructed view of the Powai Garden. And this master bedroom has this attached washroom, which is very spacious, and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of our project, and if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Before going, I would like to ask you one question. You have been seeing our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what improvements do you think we need? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.